Welcome back to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you've got a Christmas lights installation business and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your business now that the festive season is slowly approaching, you're certainly in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to do exactly that, build a simple website for your small business. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video and sign up for that free trial and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and search for my market, Christmas lights installation. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you've clicked on continue, Marty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for your business with the information you've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done. So in a couple of seconds, let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, very festive, and they're completely free for you to use as well. Look at that, absolutely stunning. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of the installations you've completed before, and you want to showcase it on your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. So today, that's what I'm going to be showing you. So let's get cracking and go through each section and make a few amendments so you can see how easy it is to use this website builder. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. First thing I'm going to do is put in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that email address is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Awesome. Let's pop in our phone number over here, and that is click to call, by the way, very convenient for your customers. Our address, our physical location, maybe you don't have one, so you can leave it off. But if you do, go ahead and pop it in over here. Great thing about that physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address, be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. For the next section, if you've got a logo, go ahead and browse your device and upload it over here. If you want to make slight amendments to that logo once it's been uploaded, click on the pencil so you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, click on save, and here on the right is where you can make that logo bigger and smaller to suit your needs. Now with Marty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors used throughout your website. If you'd like to change them, no color coding needed. Click on that paint bucket bottom right hand corner. Go through the various color palettes available to you. There's so many to choose from, and we are adding more color palettes every single week as well. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. Now over here is where you can browse your device and upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. Marty Sites will automatically search for your market that you've selected, but you can play around with those keywords a little bit, as you can see, just to find suitable images. If you go back to the photo options, you can now have the option to actually connect your Instagram account if you have one, automatically pull in those images without uploading them all individually. Very convenient. So connect your Instagram account with a click of a button and pull in your profile photos. And update action is where you can amend those buttons, the text on them, and where they link to. You can link to another website. Maybe you take online bookings or upload a PDF file. A great way to upload a catalog or your different rates in PDF formats. Under content is where you can change that content to make it a little bit more personalized to your business. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form. This is where your customers can easily reach out to you. You will get notified via your registered email that you have a new lead from this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your Marty dashboard. If you have a custom domain, all you need to do is click on the yellow button at the bottom to connect your domain. If you'd like to purchase a domain, maybe you don't have one yet, you can do so now by clicking on that button as well. We now offer that option on the Marty Sites platform to make your websites a little bit more trustworthy, more personalized to your business. Purchase a custom domain. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your Christmas lights installation business. Really wishing you and your business Marty success.